Okay, so this is how you fix KES high pressure shower system if you have water hammering. So I got this about 4 months ago, and right after installation I got this metal like noise. Feels like pipes are banging against each other or something like that. For the longest time I couldn't figure that out, but finally did. So first thing you have to do is remove that, remove this, and take out this cartridge. This is how it looks. Right here. And basically the white stuff inside the cartridge is what making noise. Is that right here, the white stuff in there. It moves. So all you have to do is get a flathead screwdriver and remove it and insert it, in here. All you have to do is just kind of pry it off. It will pop, and then you'll be able to remove this right here. All you have to do is put a little O-ring here, and on the other side over here, I'm gonna put it on pause. So basically all you have to do is just get an O-ring and put it here, and put another one on the other side right here. You might have to do some adjustments to make it thinner, depends. But in my case, I just shaved off a little bit because it's too thick, so it doesn't let this piece freely move all the way. So you have to probably trim a little bit of this O-ring on both sides to make it work properly. But after that, all you have to do is just place this thing back on and reinsert the cartridge back in here. That's it. Worked for me. Otherwise, it's a pretty nice system, except this.